everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with a diamond painting unboxing. This one came from China and it feels like there's 2 in here. You never know. The other day I thought I had 3 and there were 7 wrapped up in there. Oh. I could see diamond painting, so I got scared. All of a sudden I get real careful with my scissor work. I've been good. I haven't sliced through anything yet. I've seen some pictures though of people who just cut right through. That's not good. It's hard to ask for a refund or get a new one when you cut it yourself. All right, so there is one thing, and here is another. And then they added this padding wad to make up the difference here. It's not funny. When I pick up all my boxes and things over here in the corner, I pull out all those pieces of packing and save them for when I ship things out. Which I do now and then. I haven't done any lately because I'm broke. Too many diamond paintings, my husband would say. He says, when are you going to sell some of those? I can't. I love them all. They're like my children. Okay, I admit, I love my children more. They'll be happy to hear that. Phoebe is off hunting the fly. This is funny. They wrapped it up in this kind of foamy paper, and they literally wrapped it in that foamy paper. So very protected. That's good. Okay, so I have 2 kits. More packing. More packing, more packing. Here's some drills. I guess that's for this little one. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. There is no... Oh, here's the thumbnail. Oh, it's this very pretty rose. It's like a little pink rose. I'm wondering, gosh, it's like pink and gray and a little brown. And there's so many colors. 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 25 colors. It is a 30 by 40 full drill round. And let me put the picture up for you. Now I'm looking at the drills. They're all in little bags already. And they're weighed out. I don't think this is all of them. There must be more over in there. But let me peel up the paper and take a look. Oh. The adhesive is coming off. Never keep pulling if the adhesive is coming up. Put it down. Give it a rub. Try it again. Here we go. There's a couple little creases, but I think it'll flatten out nicely. No problems with the adhesive layer. A couple little bubbles, but that'll flatten right down again. The symbols are nice and clear. Let me peel from the other side and then show you. This is a very pretty image. Boy, this adhesive, I'm worried about it. It just wants to come right up. It just didn't lay flat over here. It's when the canvas is kind of buckled, that happens to the paper. Oh, it makes a funny sound when I pull the adhesive up. There we go. There we go. So here's the rose. Beautiful shades of gray and pink, and it's a little red and mauve color in there. All right, let me get it all stuck down. I need to go lay this one flat for a while. I know a lot of people spend time ironing their canvases, but I've heard some people with some bad experiences doing that. So I use the gravity method. Mine sit in my closet under the weight of my other canvases. And if I really need to, I'll put them under my bed, between two pieces of cardboard. Okay. I am going to set this aside and spend some time on getting that paper flat, because I don't think I did a very good job just now. But I want to get the rest of this open and see what else we have here. They really packed this up nice. A lot of padding. A lot of tape. Let's get her all open. I'm really hot today. It's not especially hot out. It's been hotter, but I think that means someone turned out the air conditioning on me. I think men think that's their job. Just turn it down. Doesn't matter if anybody's hot or not hot, especially when they're not here all day, like me. Wow. There's even more. Look at all these kids. Oh my God, there's 5 of them. I wonder why I got so many. Extra padding, drills. And here's another diamond painting. Hey, if you're interested in seeing this online where I bought it, I always put the link down in the description. Oh, this is pretty. Look, it's a hot air balloon. So I think it's gonna go this way, I think. Again, this doesn't seem like enough drills to me. Well, I will find out when I do the inventory. Let me try and get this. I'll put the picture up for this one. I don't know, there's something about this adhesive that it wants to peel off. Let's try it again. Come on. Let me try this side. It wants to roll up and the adhesive wants to peel off. Here we go. I love hot air balloons. They used to have a big festival in New Jersey every year, the Quick Check Hot Air Balloon Festival. And it's funny because my family went to the very first one, and we didn't know that it was, you know, the start of a big yearly thing. It's been going for like 20 years now. All right, let me try and show this because, wow. I don't know which way it goes. Okay, I guess it goes this way. Does that look right? But look at the colors on there. Ooh, and all the confetti. I saw somebody ask, what does confetti mean? Confetti is the opposite of having one big block of one color to do. Confetti is when an area is just all different colors mixed in that area. And it means a lot of switching, pouring drills into your tray, using it, then putting it back, switching color. Some people don't like that. I like that part. It's one of the reasons I go so slow, because I tend to pick pictures that have a lot of confetti. Okay, I like it. Seriously, that's a big canvas, and look at the drills packed into this teeny tiny little thing. But it's all done by weight, and they're all in little Ziploc bags. So, should be good. No inventory sheet. But that's okay. I take a picture up there so I have it on my phone to look at my phone. These were the kits. This is funny. For 2 diamond paintings, they sent me 5 of these. It's a green boat with kind of a purple wax and a single pink pen. I'm not sure why I got so many, but I'll take them. Hey, you have a great day. Thanks for joining me. I love opening my diamond paintings, and I'm glad you can enjoy it with me. Have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.